Hadin ke jingkan tho jongka menteri sarkar ka Dr. Majal Ampareen do ba omde ban pensngap ya ke jingdawa jongka acik ki badawa ban penlong kan nong ba telang ya ka Tura kalami ke jing pyrshah de ki kynhun hapo ka rilom garo bat dangsian ha ke jingle jongka ban penlong i jelang hapo rilom garo bat kitna trekam ba fer kiladon ke jing pyrshah bat khanglat ya ka banwan hatura habai keren bat kilap thai kubor mitirang ba ka jalaw Conrad ki sang mau loong ba ki don tangkat tu kat nengut ki kynhun harengkat bat ki bai ki bara rengkat bat ki lamayong ki bayang ban pyrshah bat marsin yo jingtep kilapan tip no syaka Dr. Majal Ampareen lingdo ban omlet ju syatura yo akan ja ke jingklumar.
So basically, when these situations are there were few bikes that were going around that time, and that is when we communicated to the respected minister, and the respected minister came back. So she did not proceed to Tura because we said that, look, whatever the situation may be, and I know that you're going there for a different purpose. She was going there for the review of the medical department and the health department, and all the MLAs and everybody was supposed to be there. So it was a completely different purpose of the visit. But when we got information that there was certain concerns, and there were certain people who were on bike, and there's a black flag and all that stuff. So we did take the step, as you correctly said. We did take the step, and we told her, look, let's not instigate at this point in time. You come back. So she came back, and then accordingly, as I said, the situation was controlled. And then, of course, as I said, the next step was for the chief minister to go there, because that's what they have. His organizations had mentioned that we would like to meet and talk and speak to chief minister. And as I said, and that's when the rest of the things followed.